Welcome to Quizzical Kids. Today, we have an exciting challenge for you. Can you find the hidden animals? We'll show you an image, and you'll have a 22 question and 10 seconds to guess. Are you ready? Let's get started. Find the wolf. Great, we are going to next question. Next one is find the reed cat. Now find the owl. This one is a bit tricky, find carefully. Find the snake. Here is the next find the frog. Here is tricky one, find the two animals in one image. Find the deer. Oh, find the giraffe. Now, I'll find the lizard. Next one is find the snake. Next one is tricky. Are you ready? Find the deer. Next one is find the owl. Here is the next find the frog. Next one is find the owl. Next one is find the eagle. Next one is find the frog. Next one is find the leopard. Now find the fox. This one is a bit tricky. Find the monkey? This one is a bit tricky. Find the snake? Now find the owl. Now find the lion. How many did you guess right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun quizzes on Quizzical Kids.